Nyuma y'ekiskuru kw'igorwa kitariki nyomotinyo motangani bo mwako yiga bw'ekiru 2024 waziri w'obulinzi bw'ime Daktari Fred Matiang'i nigo akoretara gucheze skuru y'abamura ya Nyamberia Boys yegotoka ase ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba ime ye county ya Nyamira. Omo waziri Matiang'i nigate babuna nigo baguchikokoromokia kubwaterana amona omo county commissioner abachifu kwenekia buna abana bonsi nigo babere bagwekirana ase chiskuru.
Here in this school alone, 61 boys have not reported back to school, and we just asked the principal to give us an annotated list of those who have not reported. An annotated list means a list of those who have not reported, the phone numbers of their guardians or their parents, the counties where they come from, and so on, because we want to look for them. We are all going to work together. The county commissioner, kila mtu sisi wote tutafute hao. Those ones who are from Nyamira and Kisii, tutafuta chiefs, tuende kuwatafuta. We will where they are and make sure they come back to school, because everyone has.
Boigomo waziri Matiang'i nigo abanekeria aboro kigwabuna serikali nigeruete asoko bakonya se chinjera chonsi na kubagania bakoromokia ase amasomabo.
The president spends close to 60 to 65% of his time on youth affairs only. He said asking about youth and ICT, kazi mtaani, our kids doing in school. All 65% of his time focusing on young people. How is the country going to grow? Have you people made sure the kids are back in school and stuff like that? I mean, it's a wonderful time to be, growing up in Kenya. And most importantly, you have seen your leaders here. We are all here standing here for you. We've come here to stand for you to make sure that you succeed.
Nomori kikorwase wizara yobochenu omasubati Susan Mochache uyobaga wikerana ase skuru eyo ya Nyambaria nigo abagania boro kigwabu ko bwatia machiko yaberga kobekwa ne wizara yobochenu eliokorwania endwali ya COVID-19.
Do your part, make sure you try and observe all the protocols, wash your hands all the time, don't get tired because corona is with us and that is a fact. So these are the normal times. So take personal responsibility.
Waziri Matiang'i boigo nabaga ko babwatokera abamenyi benseme yo chimaski eliogwetanga kurwa sendwali ya COVID-19 yaberge koleto mochando monene emergency ya Kenya.
Bona bana ba mintu na basorere ko moranje beke mask ke ndengine kebe ke dura ba twaito na minuto daga mete sama tukare bosi.
Ngoripoti ya Getembe Television kurwa se skuru ya bamura ya Nyamberia Boys gotoka se bunge ya Kitutu Masaba ime county ya Nyamira ilietalia neigo nkoro kwa Ogero Peter.